Assalamu alaikum.
Aleykümselam, hoş geldin. Nasılsın?
İyiyim. Sen nasılsın?
Ben de iyiyim. Hediye.
Ha, teşekkürler.
Hediye.
Teşekkürler.
Hediye. Present. No money, no money. Present. Present. Christmas present.
She's saying it's a gift.
I know. Hayır, taş gördüm. Hayır. Başka kaldı. Yes. I don't know.
Do you have my ticket?
Yeah, I got 3 tickets.
Okay.
Oh, we have to
Let's go.
Is it 20 euro?
So, for the first time you guys came over here,
Yes.
yeah, you need to buy the ticket 20 liras.
Okay.
And
हेलो हेलो
hello.
आप लोग किधर जा रहे हैं?
ये कायाकोय है फैथिये के साथ.
ओके.
Abundant city है 1923 में ये जो है ना ancient Greek city था ये 1923 में ये evacuate हो गया यहाँ से सारे लोग यहाँ से निकल गए. तो ये सारे का सारा सिटी एज इट इज तब से ऐसे ही खड़ा है. ये बिल्डिंग सारी उस टाइम की है. आपको दिखाते हैं ये देखो ये सारी
वाओ.
ये सारे घर थे जो यहाँ पे लोग रह रहे थे और इनका आप डिटेल्स आगे चलेंगे पता चलेगा. ये इनका चर्च था और
ये मुस्लिम नहीं थे?
नहीं ये यहाँ पे क्रिश्चियंस रह रहे थे. 1923 में ये जो है ना इसको छोड़ के यहाँ से सारे लोग चले गए एज इट इज. और दूसरा ये एंशिएंट ग्रीक सिटी है. ग्रीक सिटी है ये. ज्यादातर यूनान के लोग यहाँ पे रहते थे.
ओके.
और ये फैथिये से 8 किलोमीटर आप आते हैं साउदर्न साइड पे तो ये आपको ये वो देखे ना उस साइड पे ये घर जो है अभी भी उसकी छतें एज इट इज पिलर्स लगे हुए हैं.
ये बहुत ही पुराना लग रहा है.
पुराना सिटी है.
और ये दरख्त चेक करें. ओफ, व्हाट अ ब्यूटी. लेट्स गो.
कम ऑन. This is called Abundant City. Yeah, in 1923 they just left all the city. You know, it was just basically occupied by the Greeks, and they evacuated instantly. I don't know the reason, but they just left this city as it is. So since then, it's just been like it is over here. It is abandoned. Yeah. And there are so many things you need to see. Please come with us. I'll just show you out.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
And the old school.
Yeah.
Wow. That was a school.
And also they have the church, and it's a big church over there on that side.
Is it?
Yeah, I'll show you out.
Thank you.
On the upper side, there's the church and the school and the hospital. There were so many things. They just been left as it is.
So we shouldn't be
Even some houses, they have their roofs as well right now. They are still intact. Yeah,
Wow. That's amazing.
I can show you out.
Thank you.
If you just come with me, so
with this kind of thing, we should have a guide to give us a history.
Yeah,
You know?
exactly.
We shouldn't be coming here to pay rent without having a guide.
Yeah, it should be a guide.
actually the thing is, you guys just came after the season.
Oh,
If you just came over here in summer season, there are so many people are just visiting this site every day, and they have their guides as well over here.
Oh, I see.
And that's your bad luck that I have become your guide right now.
It's a privilege. It's a great privilege. We are blessed. Because we didn't even know anything about this. We just came.
Yeah, very random.
Yeah. Wow. This is good exercise as well.
Yeah.
So that's the church I was talking about. That's a church built in the 19th century.
Wow.
1970.
Yeah, that was built in the 19th century. unfortunately, that is basically a restricted area. You can't come in, go inside.
Okay.
But that's the church basically, and it's written on the board as well. You can just read it out.
It's close for cities, maybe because as people are going in,
Yeah.
it might collapse or something.
Exactly.
And yeah.
Wow.
So that's the church on this side. If you want to take a look,
Oh, Paddy Church.
also has the door on that side. You can just have a good look on this.
Yes. This is amazing, isn't it? Yeah.
So should we go around now?
Yes.
Very lovely. How incredible is it? Since the 1940s. Oh, Lord. You see? This is the evidence.
It's a winter season and even so hot here
Yes.
because we are so close to sun. Yeah.
We are so close to sun.
Yes, we do, man.
That's why we guys are overcooked.
Yes.
Yeah. So from here, if you just take a look in this side,
You can see the
you can
church.
take a look in the complete church.
Yeah.
So it's a good view. You can see here.
Okay. We are so blessed to
We
have
got the
you here.
secret door. Yeah.
The secret door, yeah.
Exactly.
The back way.
Yeah, the back way.
Wow. This is amazing that they can have all this.
Yeah.
Years and years.
They were having this one.
Wow, look at that. Massive.
And the roofs are still intact.
Wow, amazing.
Because the things we're using in building in those days was stronger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And if you see the material there,
Yeah.
that material is better than the nowadays we are
Yes,
using, right?
And they always use the best for God's
Exactly.
house.
Exactly.
That's what I was saying. Isn't it?
Always use the best for God's house.
They will build God's house before they build, you know?
You know, when I just came over here, I was amazed to see that these guys had the painting as well. These are basically whitewash. They just got on the walls.
Wow.
And it's 100 years ago.
That's 100 years before the whitewash was been made, and it's still intact over here like that.
But the ones who have these days, they're not going to last that long.
Yeah.
You see
Right, guys.
all the walls which are just being over here. So these are already being whitewashed,
Wow.
and they were having the paints as well, different colors.
Yeah, look at the place.
Yeah.
I bet it was so beautiful at the time.
Oh, wow.
It's got some better home. Oh, it's going on the floor. Oh, thanks. Wow. This is amazing.
Now the link roads has been started.
Link road.
Now be careful to choose your way, mate.
So you don't get lost.
Because you
Don't
can
get lost.
easily be lost
I
over
was
here.
about to say,
Yeah.
don't.
Oh, yes,
don't
someone
have
living
to-
here.
You need to mark because
Yeah.
for the first time
Yeah.
when we
I think
just
someone
came over
living here.
Yes.
me and my wife,
Yes.
we both got lost over here.
Oh,
So we had to find out the path where we just came from.
How long were you lost for?
Sorry?
For 1 hour or 2 hours?
Oh, I don't know. We were just roaming around without seeing anything, and she was just intimating me.
I think this is a landmark.
Yeah, that's a landmark.
Yeah.
Somebody has made that one.
I think maybe I've got lost. What is a landmark?
This time,
Alright, guys, let's go. Go on, mate.
Deers. Not mate.
The church has got
नहीं मैं उन्होंने क्या
wow.
Come on, ladies.
Yes, we need to, so we don't get lost.
Yeah.
That will make it fine.
there you go.
I'm telling you.
You remember last time there was so big cat.
Yeah, that was a wildcat
Is
over
it?
here,
Yeah.
and she was taking
We-
the picture.
We are afraid of her because it's
Not
so
me,
big.
That was only you.
Yeah, I am. I am.
So you're saying you were not afraid?
I was just handling her up. No, don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's not.
Was it black?
It's just a cat.
Actually,
No,
he was
it's-
scared
it's
of
like,
her, not the cat.
the tiger color.
What?
Yeah,
No.
it's really look like tiger.
Oh my goodness.
That was a wild cat actually.
What has it been feeding on in this place?
I don't know. Maybe.
That's what makes it wild.
Yeah.
What did it do? Was it just looking at you? I better not see a wild cat.
Follow me that one, guys, because I'm not going to take you back.
I hope that.
Buildings.
Yeah.
Double stories.
Double
Yeah, at
story.
that time, they were
Wow.
in their time they were high-rise buildings.
And yeah,
High rise.
Yeah, these are high-rise for them.
on the mountain.
Yeah, on the mountain.
Wow, that's amazing. And we think we're doing something special now, right? It's always been.
Yeah, exactly.
Nothing is new.
Be careful, guys, of your steps because these stones are slippery.
Yeah. Some of us are not wearing the
Yeah,
right
they got
shoes.
fungus.
We didn't know what to
Wow.
expect. There's
Oh,
something
oh,
like goats here.
No, we are at the end of the buildings now.
Wow.
That's a big city.
Wow. This is massive. This is massive.
What's in that?
The cat sounds.
Hello, anyone home?
If anybody was home, you were not allowed to be here. They might have shot you.
This is like the stairs. Have you noticed? That's like the door. Can you see? Those are stairs.
Yeah. Yeah, these are stairs.
Yeah. So they're going to up the stairs to go into the house. Where's the door?
Basically, this city was
Yeah.
evacuated in 1923, but that was made before, roundabout before Christ. Yeah. So it's not like, because it was evacuated at that time. That means that these buildings were already been made over at that time.
I see.
So people were living before that time.
Before that time.
Yeah, it got abandoned in 1923.
Before Christ.
Yeah, so it's been 100 years now.
Wow. That looks like somewhere where they cook. Like oven.
Yeah.
Like an oven.
Keys are whispering in my.
Oh my god. You know, you
She's looking at the series now.
I'm watching a series which name is Lock and Keys,
Okay.
and the keys are whispering.
you have, you're imagining them.
Yeah.
Guys, I think we are going so far away from sun. Because it's a little bit cold here.
Beautiful
Isn't
sun.
it?
No worries, we have the course over here. No. Actually, the thing is, normally people used to come over here in from April till October.
Okay. April, yeah.
You can't even imagine there are more than 30,000 people used to be in the main delivery in Sarna,
Wow.
where we are working. Because we have our own online store here,
Okay.
and I'm basically their online sales system in charge.
Okay.
So I used to go, deal all their international sales and the clients.
Is it?
And she's my wife. We both are taking care of their online business.
Okay.
So fabric designer outlet is basically our outlet.
There is.
Otherwise, they might have just find him that he's a guilty guy.
Because they kind of smell you.
Yeah.
Sure.
So we are in main Ovacek. You see?
Wow.
That's the board of Ovacek.
Okay.
So
The board of the person.
yeah, it's written over there. And
So we are on the main
guys,
gate.
we are on the main stop where we just started our journey.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's
There
the
you go.
church I just showed you earlier, and we have this camera.
Got it!
So I'm a good guy.
Yeah, you do, man.
I didn't know that even this talent. So I was not aware of this one as well. That I'm just gonna take you back.
That's a berry, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe.
No. Don't be worried. They are just roaming around.
I think they just came here to
check on us.
So
to save us. I think.
no, they are not here to save us. They are here to save their valley from us.
Yes, to make sure we're not drunk
Yeah.
themselves. So what?
You guys want to go this way?
What about the
What?
thing up there? What's it called? The castle.
You already gave over.
No, the castle. We haven't been to the castle.
Castle.
So that's high rise on that side. It's hard to go over there
From that way.
Okay.
because
Is it?
normally the castle is made up not to be accessible by anyone. Easily.
Oh.
So you know that.
I see.
I think we can go from that way.
Yeah, that's the main boulevard, bro. You can take them over there.
There, on the left side.
You can take them over there. Try it out, and we.
Oh.
I'm at your own race, dear.
Look at him. He's already. This man. Oh my, he's quick. So far, I don't waste my tongue out today. Because I should just not accept it.
They are so quick.
I know. That's what she was saying.
I'm here. Come on, guys. We are here. Come on, be careful.
How did you get there?
I can fly. You don't know?
No, I know.
Yeah.
I was talking on your
I can fly like a goose.
Are you making video?
Wow. This one. Wow, it's part of the challenge. Which way am I going now?
It's crazy.
It is. Wow. Yes, I've done it. I don't need to come back into that.
Come on, guys.
Sparkling now.
शायद किधर है?
Come on, guys. It's so fun. Come on.
Are we having tea?
Yeah, you do.
Wow.
That house was attracting me a so long time. Last time I just came over here, I was thinking to visit this one.
Are we having tea?
This is crazy.
You see,
Oh my goodness. Look at this.
still have the roof,
Oh.
the main pillar.
So this is how.
Now there used to be
That must
another
be
chimney.
the chimney I said.
Yeah, that's the chimney.
Yes.
And they used to have. Oh my God. Okay. They used to have a store over here, to warm up the building, and it has this 2 floors, right? Actually.
Is it?
Yeah. So that's the ground floor.
Wow.
So the floor was having, this was basically,
The kitchen.
here they used to have a roof or something like that because
Okay.
all the renovation is building started from there,
Yeah. That's an extension.
Yeah, that's a down area
I see.
where they used to have some storage or something like
Yeah,
that,
and
but
cooking.
they were living in there. And that chimney starts on that area as well. So
Yeah.
there
Maybe
they
this
used to
is
have a
washroom.
fire.
And that's like a ventilator
Yeah, maybe.
for the fire.
Exactly.
Wow. So it's big. What is new apart from modern?
See, this is basically still intact, and they used to have. I don't know how they used to have that.
The bin.
No. I'm not talking. I'm talking about that foam.
Yeah.
You see, thermopoles,
Yeah.
thermopole sheet
Yeah.
in the roof.
Yeah.
No, you are not looking at this one. What I am asking is
This one?
Yeah.
The white one.
No, the white one between
White one, yeah.
between the planks.
Yeah, the white one.
That's a thermopole sheet.
This is pillow.
This one.
No?
Like this.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the material they used to have that to just cool down this building or just not to get hot that much.
Insulation.
Yeah, insulation, exactly.
It's
So
insulation.
that's the insulation material.
See,
Yeah.
what is this?
I don't know.
I think it's part of the business that might
Yeah,
have dropped.
maybe the floor just been dropped from here.
Yeah,
Solid.
very solid.
So that was the building,
Always
only one
been.
building which has the pillar and the roof intact
And the roof.
properly.
Guys, you're done. You can leave. I'm gonna pee over there. Please.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh. Huh? हाँ जी.
You can't stop
So
nature.
The chimney is outside and it's inside. So they got two kitchens.
Yeah, that's the kitchen area, and the inside area that was also the kitchen, and that was basically that rooftop. These stairs used to go for the rooftop
For the first floor.
for the first floor.